Which animal can rotate its ears independently to hear better? Elephant. Which animal can change its color to match its surroundings? Chameleon. Which bird is known for its long, curved beak and colorful plumage? Toucan. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Galapagos tortoise. Which creature is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. What is the world's fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal has the best sense of smell? Bloodhound. Which creature can live both in water and on land? Frog. Which animal can lift objects up to 50 times its own body weight? Ant. What is the largest species of bear? Polar bear. What is the fastest marine animal? Sailfish. Which creature has the largest brain relative to its body size? Dolphin. What animal has the longest migration route? Arctic tern. Which animal has the most legs? Millipede. Which animal has a prehensile tail that it uses for gripping branches? Spider monkey. What animal has the ability to regenerate lost limbs? Starfish. Which animal has the ability to hibernate for several months? Bear. What animal has the strongest bite force of any living creature? Saltwater crocodile. Which animal is known for producing light through its body? Firefly.